You know that feeling, right? You go to load your favorite website and it's just crawling. Or maybe it looks totally weird and broken, with pictures missing all over the place. It is so frustrating. But believe it or not, the fix is usually super simple. Today, we're going to dive in and get your browser running smoothly again. So, if you've been sitting there asking yourself, why is Chrome so slow all of a sudden? Or what is going on with this website? Well, you are in exactly the right place. These aren't just random glitches, you guys. They are all symptoms of one single, really common problem.
All right, so let's put a name to this thing. When your browser starts acting up like this, it's basically just a sign that things have gotten a little cluttered behind the scenes. Your computer isn't breaking, I promise. It's just a bit of a digital mess that needs a quick spring cleaning.
And I bet these symptoms look pretty familiar. Pages that freeze halfway through loading, websites that look kind of broken or are showing old info you know for a fact has been updated. And the classic one, getting logged out of your accounts for no reason. If you're nodding along, you are seeing the classic signs. Okay, so what's the actual culprit behind all this digital chaos? It all comes down to a single word you've probably heard thrown around before: the cache. It sounds all technical and scary, but I promise the idea is incredibly simple, and once you get it, fixing the problem is a piece of cake. Here's the easiest way to picture it. Think of your browser's cache as a little virtual filing cabinet on your computer. Every time you go to a website, Chrome saves bits and pieces of it, like the logo, images, that kind of stuff, and stores them in this cabinet. The whole point is to be helpful. By having those files handy, the site should load way faster the next time you visit. It's all about speed. So if you want the more, official definition, the cache is just a collection of temporary files. It's like a short-term memory for your browser, helping it remember parts of websites so it doesn't have to re-download everything from scratch every single time. But here's the catch. What happens when that super helpful filing cabinet gets too full? Or what if a website updates its design, but your browser is still clinging to the old files in the cabinet? Well, that's when things go wrong. The files get old, corrupted, and that once helpful cache actually starts causing all those annoying problems. But here is the fantastic news. Cleaning out this digital filing cabinet could not be easier. So let's do it. We're going to get your browser running like it's brand new in just a few clicks. Okay, let's walk through this together step by step. First, look for those three little dots in the top right corner of Chrome and give them a click. In the menu that pops up, find Clear Browsing Data. Now, a new window will open up, and this next part is really important. Find where it says Time Range and change it to All Time. We want to do a full clean out. Then just make sure that one box, Cached Images and Files, is checked. That's the one we want. And finally, go ahead and click that big blue Clear Data button. Whoa, hold on. Before you actually click that button, let's talk for just a second about how to do this safely. It's a powerful little button, so you need to know exactly what you're doing, and more importantly, what you're not doing. All right, this is the most important part, so listen up. The box for cached images and files is our target. It is 100% safe to check. The one you want to be really, really careful about is the one that says passwords and other sign-in data. Unless you truly want to erase all your saved passwords and log back into every single thing you use, leave that box unchecked. Seriously. And just to put your mind at ease, this will not delete your bookmarks. It won't delete your browsing history either, unless you go and check those boxes specifically. What it might do is log you out of a few websites, like Google or Facebook. Also, the very first time you revisit a site, it might load just a fraction of a second slower. That's totally normal. It's just re-downloading the fresh files for your shiny new filing cabinet. And just like that, you're done. You've officially taken out the digital trash. Your browser's filing cabinet is now sparkling clean and ready to grab the newest, freshest versions of every website you visit. That slow, buggy, frustrating experience should now be a thing of the past. So it kind of makes you think, doesn't it? We just cleaned up one tiny but really powerful corner of your digital life. Now that your browser is running smooth as silk, what other digital clutter, maybe on your phone's home screen, your computer's desktop, or deep in your email inbox, could be slowing you down without you even knowing it?